Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
It's a wonderful day. You celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna sing.
Hello, babe. Gusto lang kitang i-greet ng happy birthday. Hiling ko lang sana tuluyan ka nang gumaling. Huwag ka na ulit atakin sa puso mo. Saka iwasan yung mga bawal, ha? Huwag na magpupuyat lagi kasi yung number 1 yung pagpupuyat kaya ka inaatake. Alam mo naman na pag nagkakasakit ka, nag-aalala ko sana sobra. Ayan. And then, sana I wish you always good health and more birthdays to come, more celebration. And then, see you soon. Mag-limit na tayo finally. Always, I love you. Kahit hindi masyado nagbabauna na importante na kakaintindihan tayong dalawa. Diba? I love you so much, babe. Happy birthday. Mwah!
It's a wonderful day. You celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna sing.
Good morning po sa lahat. Ayan, good morning. Happy birthday, Ate ko Princess. I would like to use this opportunity to greet my Ate Princess. Ate Princess, I am so lucky to have you as my friend, as my ate here in Imo World. Hope your birthday is as special as you are, and may God grant all your wishes and all your dreams come true. Thanks for being such a good and great ate to me. Love you, Ate Princess.
It's a wonderful day. You celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna sing.
Ayan, good morning sa inyo mga anak. Anak Princess, anak Ace. Ayan, ngayong araw na ito ang pinakamahalaga sa iyo, anak Princess. Happy birthday sa iyo. At alam ko naman na kahit manugang lang kita, naman po sa akin yung sakit ko. Pero may awa ang Diyos. Kahit ganyan ang sakit natin, may pagka-tridor, di ba? Pero alam ng Diyos na kaya natin to. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday na dumating sa iyo. At palagi ka mag-ingat yan sa kung saan ka man. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo at sa inyong dalawa, sa ang relasyon ninyong dalawa, pagtibayin nyo. Sana hanggang dulo. Kasi masaya si Mami pag masaya kayo. Ayan. Again, anak Princess, happy birthday and God bless. God bless you. Magpakatatag lang kayong dalawa. Ayan. Happy birthday and I love you mga anak.
It's a wonderful day. You celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna see.
Hi everyone! Bago ako babati syempre sa my birthday ngayon, ako muna yung magpapakilala kasi hindi nyo pa ako nakikita at ngayon nyo lang ako makikita. Ayan, syempre, ako nga pala ang iyong mami, anak-anakan, pamangkin. Ayan, ako yung kaibigan nyo. Syempre, hindi mawawala. Syempre, ako nga pala ang iyong kabet. Ayan, shoutout sa mga kabet ko dyan syempre, sa mga lahat na naging family ko dito. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon or good evening. Syempre, sa mga gamers na katulad ko, ayan, na shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Valerie. Ayan, ito yung Valerie. Sa hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin. Syempre, ayan, baby princess namin. Happy birthday sa'yo, Beb. Salamat sa Joyce kasi narating mo na naman yung isang taon na naman narating ng iyong buhay, Beb. Sana lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay ay iyong matupad. Basta't magdasal ka lang lagi sa Panginoon. Alam ko nakikinig siya ngayon kung ano man yung hiling mo ngayon, Beb. Alam kong handa kang mag-antay kung kailan na ibibigay ni Lord yung blessings na walang hanggan, Beb. Beb, once again, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming taon ng iyong marating sa iyong buhay, Beb. Lahat ng pangarap mo yung matupad, Beb. At syempre, Beb, salamat kasi naging bahagi kami ng iyong buhay. Sana, Beb, hindi ka magbago kung ano man yung nakilala ka namin noon. Sana hindi ka magbabago hanggang ngayon, Beb. Ingat ka lagi, Beb. Once again, happy birthday. I love you, Beb.
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday, you, for you. It's your wonderful day. You celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna sing joyful songs. And I put my heart in this little song. It's your day. I wanna sing happy songs. And I just wanna say to you, happy birthday, darling. You're my God's precious blessing. I promise